The Daily Code Snippet. The picture element allows the browser to determine which image from several options is to be loaded. This functionality is useful under certain circumstances. The primary reason is art direction. We may want to load a different crop of an image or another image entirely depending on the type of screen on which it is displayed. And we may want to load a different type of image when an image format is not supported. Some image formats like webp and avif are not yet fully supported, which is why we didn't include them last week, but these new formats provide less degradation on compression and smaller file sizes. Lastly, responsive design. Now that we are interacting with the web on our desktops with large screens to our handheld mobile devices, our design needs to be flexible to look good on all these types of screens. Responsive design means that our website design changes with regards to its environment. We have to consider the speed of loading and would not want to load an image for a large screen onto a phone. The picture element consists of other elements, the image element, and multiple source elements. The different source elements are there to offer alternative options of images for different scenarios. The browser will evaluate each option and choose the best match to display. If it encounters problems, it will display the fallback image that we indicate in the source attribute of the image element. The other attributes of the image element are used by the picture element to help it with presenting the image appropriately. Example, alt text. Each source element has media, source set, sizes, and type attributes, so the browser determines which image is best given the layout and capabilities of the display device. The media attribute specifies a condition used to evaluate whether the source element fits the scenario. If the media attribute is determined to be false, it is skipped and the browser moves on to the next element. In our code example, we see that picture is a traditional element with an opening tag and a closing tag. However, source and image are both empty elements and have only opening tags. The source element has two different attributes. It has the source set attribute and the media attribute. The source set attribute tells the browser where to find the image, and the media attribute tells the browser what are the conditions to display this image. The image element also displays a source attribute, which tells the browser where to find the image, and also has the alt text that should accompany the image, as well as the title. So in this example, if the media screen has a minimum width of 600 pixels, then the image that will be loaded onto the page is sample logo-wide.png. However, if the screen has a width that is less than 600 pixels, then the browser will load sample logo-narrow.png. Presented by Designers Learn Code.